Welcome to one of our big stories. It's a significant turning point in the COVID pandemic. Tonight at midnight, the indoor mask requirement goes away in Washington and Oregon for most settings, maybe forever. Governor Brown made masks mandatory back in August 13th, on August 13th. It wasn't August of 13, that'd be way long ago. Sometimes it does feel like that, though. Now the masks are going away in less than 6 hours.
Today at 11:59 p.m., masks will no longer be required indoors in public places and in schools. That's a watershed moment in this pandemic. It's a direct result of the actions Oregonians have taken over the past 2 years.
That's Patrick Allen, the director of the Oregon Health Authority. He spoke at his first news conference in more than 5 weeks after a serious fall at his home left him battered, but obviously not broken. He said it's good to be back, and he praised Oregonians for wearing face masks, getting vaccinated, and following other health guidance during the pandemic. He said it saved thousands of lives.
As a result, we estimate Oregonians have saved approximately 5,700 lives. That's based on a projection of the additional deaths we could have recorded in our state if our death rate was the same as the national average.
Friday, 261 people were hospitalized statewide in Oregon with COVID. That's down from more than 1,100 at the peak of the Omicron surge of cases. Not everyone's looking forward to dropping the mask requirement. Some businesses say they are not ready to ditch them yet, and that is their right. At Potala Imports on Hawthorne Street, the owner said he's going to require his customers to wear masks a bit longer.
I'm thinking I will do one more week because I'm myself, little bit age. I'm 70-year-old, So it's easy to infect, you know that, right? So I will do one more week.
But many of you are excited to take the masks off. We asked what you look forward to. On Facebook, Kathy wrote, wearing lipstick. And Stacy wrote, I'm looking forward to seeing people smile again. And Ronnie added, I'm looking forward to shopping without a mask and my nose dripping while wearing the mask. By the way, don't throw the mask away yet. Oregon's epidemiologist, Dr. Dean Seidlinger, reminds us there are still plenty of settings where you will need to mask up.
Masks will still be required in healthcare settings. This is necessary to protect our providers and the vulnerable patients they serve. Federal mask requirements are still in place for public transportation and other specialized settings.
Still, outside of those places, Patricia wrote, what I look forward to the most when I finally decide to stop wearing a mask is singing. My church choir is back to rehearsing and singing in worship, but it's stifling with a mask on. Look forward to the freedom, eventually, to sing with unencumbered joy. And Linda emailed us. I wear glasses, and when I walk into the grocery, my glasses fog. If I remove my glasses, I can't see very well. The other day, I stumbled on the steps at Safeway in the fog. I am most anxious to be without a mask with fogged glasses.